Hello, today I am going to share with you where and how to download the free PLC software from Alan Bradley or Rockwell Automation's website so that we can use this software to learn to program the PLC ladder logic diagram for our learning purpose. Okay, there are three software that we need to download and all these software are free to download from Rockwell automation software. So let me write it down for you so that it will be easier to understand. Okay, so the first software is RSLogix Micro Starter Lite. Okay, and then the second is RSLogix. Okay, Emulate 500. And the third one is RSLinx. Okay, so for example, we have a physical PLC, okay, and we have a laptop. So we need to install these three software into our laptop, okay, so that we can use the software to program the PLC, right? So this is a physical PLC. So we need this RSLinx, okay, to interface between PLC and the laptop. Okay, it acts like agent between these two devices. So we need this inside our laptop. We need this software RSLogix MicroStarter Lite to program the PLC ladder logic diagram so that it can be downloaded into the PLC later on for use. Okay, so we need this when we have a physical real PLC device. Let's say we do not have a physical PLC, we still can learn to program the PLC software by using the Emulate 500. Okay, that's why we need to install this RSLogix Emulate 500 to act as a virtual PLC to replace the physical PLC. Okay, so without further delay, let me show you how to download this software. Okay, so you need to open any search engine, for example Google. Then you need to type RSLogix Micro Starter Line. Then press enter. And then you see this Rockwell Automation search PCDC result. You click this link and then you type RSLogix Micro Starter Line. Okay, two options will be pop up here. Okay, so you need to select RSLogix Micro Starter Lite without RSLinx English. You click this one and then you click download. Okay, and then you need to click plus button here. Okay, click this one. There are a variety of versions here. What you need to select is version 11. Okay, this is the free version for you to download. Then you need to click this download button. You can see the download button here. Okay, click this one. After that, you need to select this RSLogix MicroStarter Lite without RSLinx English. Then you need to select this one, RSLogix Emulate 500, and then select this one, RSLinx Classic Lite for MicroLogix. Okay, and then you click download. Then you click download now. Then you need to read all these terms and condition. Okay, once done, you need to click accept and download. Okay, give it some times because the download may take times. Then go to check your download folder. Okay, check your download folder. After that, you may see this, okay, zip file. What you need to do is you just need to double click it to open. Then it will download all the mentioned software into your hard disk. You just need to go to your hard disk, let's say C drive, and then search for RA. RA stands for Rockwell Automation. Then you double click, and then you can see two folders here, Emulate 500 and RSLogix. So you just double click the RSLogix folder, and then you can see two files here. One is a MicroLite zip file, and then the other one is a RSLinx Lite. Okay, so you can double click this RSLinx Lite to open this zip file. Okay, then you extract. Then you will see the folder RSLinx Lite ADVD folder. So you just need to click and double click it, and then you click to select the setup, double click, and then you just click yes to download. And then you can see two options available here, require and optional. So what you need to do is you click require. Okay, so then you need to select this install RSLinx Classic. Okay, just click and install. Because I already installed this RSLinx Classic software in my computer, so I'm not going to reinstall again. So what you need to do is you just need to click this one. It will automatically install everything for you. Okay, then you need to go back to this RSLogix, and then what you need to do is you need to open another zip file, which is MicroLite. Okay, click to select MicroLite and double click, and then you need to click setup, and then click yes to install this RSLogix micro starter Lite. Okay, I'm not going to do this step because I already installed all the software inside my computer. Okay, I just click no. So for you, you need to click the yes to install it. Okay, the step is very easy and pretty straightforward. Let me know if you encounter any problem. Okay, then you click this RA, which is Rockwell Automation. Then click to select Emulate 500, double click, and then double click this folder, and then you just need to double click the setup. After that, you click yes to install the software. So I'm not going to install this software again because I already done so previously. So for you, you just need to click yes to install it. Okay, so that's it. Thanks.